Hello guys, in this video today I wanted to show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2017 on the Windows PC. Okay, so firstly, in order to install the Visual Studio on the PC, you have to download the file from the internet. We have two ways. The first way, you can download the offline version of Visual Studio and set up it on the PC later. And the second way is we can download and install it directly parallel from the internet. So in this video today I will show you the second way, download and install parallel. Okay, so now here, firstly you have to open your web browser and access to the visuals.microsoft.com and go to the download page. In the download page we have three versions of Visual Studio, uh, community, professional and enterprise version, and here I will click on the free trial for enterprise version here. So here, no, this one is only language, so it will get it, we can get the file very fast on my PC. Just click on it to install the Visual Studio here. Click on continue here. So now we wait the download is done. Okay, cool. Okay, wait here. So here, after that, it will open a window for select the version. I mean the feature of the .NET you want to be installed on your PC. Here. So here I will select two options. The option for the desktop application, and I will select any feature I want to be installed on my PC here on the right hand. Okay, cool. And now the next step I will select the ASP.NET for web development, and here I will select the MVC and another feature. Okay, because here later on I will work on a lot of website development, so I will select all of the feature of the for web version here. After that, click on install button here. Okay, cool. So now we have to wait for the installation here. So depending on the selection, so it will take longer time or less time. Okay, here the setup is done, and now here the Visual Studio is starting. It is welcome message from the Microsoft. You can sign in or sign in later. Here, this one you have to select the theme for the Visual Studio. I like dark, so I will select the dark theme for my tune. Okay. Waiting. Yeah. Okay, so here if we open the dashboard of the Visual Studio, and next step I will try to create a new version of the a new project for testing here. Yeah. So I will select the website project, and I left the name by default here. Click on OK button to create new project. Let the solution is blank. Okay. It will take a while for creating your project. Okay, the creation is done. So here I will go ahead to right click on the solution and I will create new I will add new file, new item. Okay, here I will select the HTML page and I will enter it in index here. So here I will try to enter some text here. The welcome message. Hello. Okay. Hello, Jenny talking. And after that, I will save it. Okay. So now after we save the file, I will run it on the IIS Express for testing. Okay. It build and then display the website for displaying the result. Here, so here you can see it had the Visual Studio had opened up a web page here. It says the hello message. Okay, cool. And here I will come back to the Visual Studio installer. We have a modify button here. If you click, you want to be modify anything you have set up that already, or you want to be and install a new one, you can click on this button and go to the modification page. Here you can select another feature or even remove the installed feature before. And after that, you can click you can click on the modify button at the end of the page here, and it will execute and perform your action. Okay, I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to set up and install the Visual Studio on 2017 on your PC. Hope that helped, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.